Why is body language important? Body language, tone, energy is all really, really important. And your body language can help you embody energy that's magnetic a lot easier than thinking about it and saying things magnetic and forcing yourself to try to be magnetic. So here are some of the things that you can try and that have worked for me. So masculine and feminine energy are at play when you are on a date or even in a relationship, right? The attraction in a relationship comes from polarity. The polarity, it doesn't matter man, woman, 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 man, man. It doesn't matter the configuration. I do often talk about men as being masculine, women as being feminine, because my audience is generally heterosexual women, okay? So, but the energies don't lie. They don't discriminate. Energy is energy. And if you have a person who's masculine energy with a person who's feminine energy, wowza, you're going to have chemistry. So if you identify as a feminine woman, which I do, then leaning forward is one body language that you want to avoid. Another body language or activity you want to avoid is over talking. Yes, over talking. Women talk a lot. Talk a lot to your girlfriends. Don't talk a lot on dates. Okay? I mean, let me actually clarify that. You get to talk a lot on dates if they are asking you questions. So, leaning forward is not great, so you want to lean back. Take a pause to answer questions or respond. And smile. Now, I know it sounds boring, it sounds old-fashioned, but honestly, who wants to be on a date with someone who's like this? Right? Men and women both don't want that. Smile. Show openness. A smile opens your heart. A smile shows intrigue, shows interest, shows openness and kindness. So less talking, more smiling. Now, don't get all triggered and shit. Oh my God, did I say shit? Don't get all triggered, okay, about that's misogynistic, or that's not feminism, or, that's what we were told, in society, to smile more and say less. I'm not saying you don't get to express yourself. What I'm saying is what you've been doing has clearly not been working. So try something different. And when a man sees that you're open, he's going to come towards you more. When a man sees that you're open, relaxed, leaning back, not only physically, but energetically, he is going to move forward and be the leader in the energy. This is what you want. If you're leaning forward and being like, so what about this? So where do you do? Well, so blah, 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 blah. He feels bombarded. Because men feel bombarded when asked questions, women feel heard and seen when asked questions. Don't treat men the same way that you want to be treated. I know, it's an oxymoron. No, it's not an oxymoron. It's counterintuitive because we've been hearing our whole lives, treat others the way you want to be treated. But that's not the same with men. Men don't want to be peppered with questions. Do not ask men questions. Seriously, try it. If this doesn't feel right for you, you should probably try it. So on a date, what you want to do is you want to lean back, not with your arms crossed. You want to lean back with your arms open. I'm going to tilt the camera a little. You want to lean back like this. Hey, nice to see you, John. Oh, yeah, I've had a great day. He's asking you questions, smiling, being open. If you're like this, it's off-putting for a man, I'm telling you, because a man is the penetrator energetically. The man is the leader. The man is the driver that he wants to be the leader in the relationship. Now, that doesn't mean you're a follower, but you get to be open to being led. It's just like in dancing, right? Couples dancing, the man leads. The woman doesn't follow, but she allows to be led. Do you get that? So you don't become a passive follower and just do whatever he says. You allow yourself to be led into the dance so that it can be a beautiful, harmonious polarity of this beautiful dance, right? This is what we are doing in dating. So I'm not trying to tell you here to be passive, to shut up, to, shut up and put up, to just look pretty and smile and not say anything. I'm not saying that. So please, 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 please hear me. You get to learn how to be surrendered. You are leaning back, you're surrendering to what's in front of you, which is a man, and you're observing and you're responding, but you're not leading it. And there can be much discomfort in that because we are so used to filling the air with chatter. So when a man is quiet or there's an awkward moment, blah, 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 we start chattering. Take a breath, lean back, feel that discomfort, be in it. That's actually really, really powerful. If you can take a breath in the discomfort, that is extremely intriguing, extremely magnetizing, and so, so powerful. So I went into more than body language, but it's everything is interconnected. And try these things and let me know. Comment below. Hit the subscribe button if you want to know more about how to date to magnetize high quality men. And hit the like, thumbs up if you liked it, of course. Thanks for watching. See you next time.